In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Printful with your Etsy shop to create, sell, and fulfill print-on-demand products with ease. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure your shop is set up for success. Let's start by creating your Etsy shop. If you haven't already, head over to etsy.com and sign up. The process is straightforward. Follow the prompts to open your shop, choosing your shop name and preferences as needed. A clear and unique shop name will help in building your brand identity. Once your shop is set, you're ready to make your first listing, but don't worry about that just yet because we need to connect another crucial service. Next, go to printful.com and sign up for a free account. Printful is a fantastic resource for creating high-quality custom products, so having an account here is essential. Once you're signed in, familiarize yourself with their dashboard. Printful provides a wide range of products you can customize, from apparel to home decor. The key step is connecting Printful with your Etsy shop. This integration simplifies your order fulfillment. From Printful's dashboard, navigate to the Stores section and select Choose Platform. You'll find Etsy listed there. Click on it. You'll be guided to log into your Etsy account to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step ensures that orders from Etsy are directed to Printful for processing, meaning less hassle for you. Once connected, it's time to create your products in Printful. Utilize their product templates to design your items such as t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. Upload your original artwork, customize styles, and select color options. Carefully set your pricing here, factoring in costs like production and shipping. With your products ready, use Printful's push-to-store feature to list them directly on your Etsy shop. Fill in the necessary product details on Etsy, including the title, description, relevant tags, and final pricing. This step is crucial as detailed product information performs better in searches and attracts more buyers. Managing orders becomes easier now, as when a customer places an order on your Etsy shop, it automatically routes to Printful. They take care of printing, packing, and shipping directly to your customer. It even carries your brand details, ensuring a seamless experience for your buyer. To enhance your shop, focus on optimization. Use clear, high-quality photos and realistic mock-ups. Writing compelling descriptions with the right keywords improves your search engine visibility. Pricing fairly while keeping Printful's base costs and Etsy fees in mind is key to staying competitive. Finally, promote your shop. Social media channels are great for showcasing your listings, and leveraging Etsy ads can further boost your shop's visibility. Regular promotion can draw in a wider customer base, increasing your sales potential. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional and efficient setup ready to showcase your creative products to the Etsy audience. Good luck and happy selling!